I received a video request on how to enable smart summon so that you can summon your Tesla from the Tesla app. In order to have it enabled, you have to click on this icon, the vehicle icon on the bottom left, and then go to Autopilot. And then from there, you scroll down and make sure this is toggled on, actual smart summon. And that's all you have to do. And then next, I will show you in the Tesla app how you set it up to have the vehicle come to you. Once you are in the Tesla app, you click on this Summons tab, and then you can see your vehicle and where you're located. And this blue ring around here is the geofence in terms of where you can summon the vehicle to. So you click on the little bullseye icon, and then you drag it over to where you want it to go. And then from there, all you do is hold down go to target, and the vehicle should come to you as long as there are no obstructions in the way.